Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope that you all are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, and Alhamdulillah I am also very good. After a long time I am making video today, and you know what, in this video I am gonna talk about a new release movie which is very popular right now. I guess by listening popular movie you already get the idea in which movie I am gonna talk about. Yeah, you are absolutely right. I am gonna talk about the currently popular movie 12th Fail. Actually, last night I watched the currently popular movie 12th Fail. After seeing so many good reviews on social media about this movie, made me very much interested to watch it. So yeah, finally I watched it. So in this video I wanna share my feelings about this movie. Actually, I was so much impressed by the movie, and the movie inspired me a lot. Also, the amount of good messages in this movie is really commendable. The last scene of the movie made every audience cry. But first of all, I would like to appreciate the movie because in this movie there is no profanity. The movie can be seen together with whole family. Especially if you are a student, I think you should watch this movie. Because in this movie, Manoj's hard work, efforts and dedication, also all of the supportive people in his life who contributed to his success is really commendable, and it cannot be described by words. So I would like to talk about some of the good messages in the movie. Number 1. If you have a dream, stick to it. Because we saw in the movie that Manoj was going through all the effort for becoming an IPS officer. He had various shortage of money, time, but he didn't give up. Working in a floor mill, working in a library, Manoj just continued his study. And number 2. To become a successful person, we all need some supportive people in our life. Like Gauri Bhai, Shraddha Joshi and Manoj's friend Pandey, moreover his family member who contributed to Manoj's study, especially his elder brother. And personally, I want to admire the support of Gauri Bhai, who created learning environment for Manoj. He helped many youth like Manoj with all guidance. Everyone is lucky to have brother like Gauri Bhai and life partner like Shraddha Joshi. Manoj's friend Pandey were the moral biggest for depressed Manoj. So after watching the entire movie, the last 15 minutes I have watched several times. Trust me, the movie was very inspirational, and you will definitely love to watch this movie. The story of the restart was very great for everyone, and there was a dialogue in this movie which I really liked, and this is cheating chorni hogi was. The end of the movie, Manoj said to the officer that many cheating chordi are actually really impressive. This movie can make you happy and cry, and also the movie is so much inspirational. I think this movie cannot be described by words because I don't have enough words. So that's all time for being. Thanks everyone for your kind attention and patience.